How to transfer your crypto from Binance to another wallet. So to transfer crypto from Binance to external wallet, you're transferring it from any other application, let's say Trust Wallet. So go ahead and open up or log in into your Trust Wallet account. So when you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to this field. So press the receive button. As you can see, you've been directed to the wallet address page. So go ahead and copy the wallet address and exit out of your external wallet. Then you need to go and log in into your Binance account, and as you are logged in, you need to make sure that your account is already verified. What next you have to do is you need to go ahead and press on send, or you need to go ahead and select withdraw or transfer. What you can do is you could just go ahead and select the asset that you wish to go with and then click on send. As you click on the send button, next page is going to ask you to enter in the wallet address. So paste in the wallet address that you've recently copied. Enter the exact amount and confirm the transaction by reviewing all of the information that you've provided, and then you have successfully transferred your crypto from Binance to another wallet. So that is how you can transfer your crypto from Binance to another wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.